Hi guys, this is Harrison from LED Torch Shop. Just here to talk to you about the Olight M3XS-UT Javelot gun torch, or rather we've made it into a gun torch with a kit. Quick description on the torch. Really good quality torch. Got a D-dome chip in there, probably pumping out about 1200 lumens, but you really want to take note of that smooth reflector. This torch is really pulled in, going to give you a really nice tight hot spot in that middle, shine out easily 500 meters, and yeah, it's going to give you that really nice spot on the end of that. But anyway, what comes with our gun kit? You obviously get the torch, as you see here. You get this nice little case it comes in. Comes with a holster, battery tube, pistol grip, and a couple spare O-rings, which are really handy. That's what comes with the torch. In our gun kit, you get the tape switch, and also you get a bottom mount, top mount, and some batteries and charger with this. Top mount and bottom mount both from Vector Optics. They offer the option of 30mm down to 25mm. So we've got the 30mm and we provide spacers to get you down to the 25mm. This body's 25, so we've got the spacers already in there. And same with this scope. No, this scope is 30mm. So a good little difference there. Anyway, we'll talk you through how to mount it. So really good system from Vector Optics. Quick release mount and just a regular pick and rail on the top there. Super easy to use. Simply figure out where you want to place it. Push that lever forward. Bang. Locked in and ready to go. Takes 2 batteries. And yeah, if you put that tape switch on there, you can run that down, put a bit of Velcro on there, and you don't even have to take your hand off the stock to work the torch. If you find that might be a bit loose, don't worry. Comes with a nice little Allen key spot there, Allen key nub screw. Give that a quick turn, put it back on. Push the lever forward, you find that's a lot tighter. If you wanted to just add safety, simply when you've got it on there, you can give that a little tighten as well. That's not going anywhere. Really good quality torch, well made, just like a lot of the Olight stuff. Great mounting system, we found that a lot of people are happy with these. Added bonus, you can just take that off really quick, get another bottom mount, put it on another torch, without having to undo a whole lot of screws. So yeah, that was just a quick overview of our gun kit. A couple accessories you can get with it. You can get some filters for it, so that's a red filter for it. Or alternatively, if you didn't want to use that mounting system, they do offer a magnetic mount that can just go obviously onto any magnetic surface. Yeah. Anyway, that is a couple of quick accessories and a little quick overview of the Olight M3XS-UT Javelot. Hi guys, this is Harrison from LED Torch Shop showing you the Olight M3XS-UT Javelot. As you can see, this has quite a pulled in beam. That is absolutely pencil thin. Really good reflector in it. Those trees are that's hitting about 200 meters away, and that just wants to keep going. That is a cracker of a light.